How to turn off people you may know notification on TikTok. Hey there, welcome back to our channel. So this video shows you how you can stop TikTok from sending people you may know notifications or disable the people you may know on TikTok. So if you want fewer notifications and a more personalized experience, here's what you can do. First, go ahead and open your TikTok application and make sure that you're logged in with your specific account. Also make sure that the TikTok application is up to date. Once the TikTok app is opened, tap on your profile picture icon in the bottom of the screen to go to your profile page. And once you're here, tap on the three horizontal lines in the top right corner to go to Access, Settings and Privacy. Now scroll down and there you will see the option of notifications under Content and Display. Tap on it. Now go ahead and turn off the people you may know option that you will find in the bottom of the screen under the other section. As my notifications are turned off right now, I cannot toggle on or toggle it off. So simply go ahead and turn the notifications on and then go to people you may know and toggle this option off and you'll be done. This will stop those notifications, giving you more control over what you see. Turning off this might also reduce suggestion for your new friends, focusing on your TikTok on content that you already enjoy. You can always turn these notifications back on by following the simple steps. So that's it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. Now you can enjoy your personalized TikTok experience with fewer notifications. So if you find this guide informative, please don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.